Manzanola is a town of about 400 people on the Arkansas River in southern Colorado. Working with a town like that, we realized pretty quickly that the school is really the heart of the community. We were fortunate to be able to really engage pretty much the entire community during the design. We had multiple very well-attended community meetings to gather input and hear from people what was important. And then during design, once we gathered kind of the bigger picture goals and ideas from the community, we spent a lot of time working with the entire staff. A school that small, we could meet with all the teachers and hear their goals, as well as the administration and the school board. Really make sure that the design of the building reflects what they want to do and how they want to teach and the way the school needed to function for them.
Every step along the way, they let us be a part and let us have a voice, and we appreciated that, and we felt like we were part of the construction and part of the design team of our new school.
Their high school was actually built by Temple Buell, one of the most well-known Colorado architects. Built in 1925, and we think it might actually be his first built work. This project consolidates two different campuses that they currently have into one by doing an addition to that 1925 beautiful historic Temple Buell building, bringing all their students K through 12 into a single building. The design of the addition mirrors the layout of the Temple Buell building. That first building has two wings, creating an entrance courtyard, and the new addition mirrors that and creates an outdoor learning classroom in a new second courtyard on the back of the building. The original gym, Temple Buell Gym, which is too small to function as a current gym, is being converted into the cafeteria space.
Josh and I have been coming to Manzanola for the past 3 years, and one of the greatest compliments we've received is you guys are like family, and that was great. When we walk into a store, people call us by name and say hello, and it is just wonderful to watch what is going to emerge for the wonderful students at Manzanola School.
We needed a new school building, and the best grant came through for us big time. We will always be grateful to you. You're the best. And go Bobcats.